In this video, you'll learn how to balance the pH level in your hot tub. If not balanced correctly, it can lead to poor sanitizer efficiency, cloudy water, and skin and eye irritations. Alkalinity needs to be tested and adjusted prior to pH. If you have not adjusted your alkalinity, please refer to that video first. Step 1. Test the water in your hot tub with a FreshWater 5-way test strip to determine the pH level. pH should be between 7.2 and 7.8. If the pH level of the water is too high, you'll need to use FreshWater pH/alkalinity down to decrease it. If the pH level of the water is too low, you'll need to use FreshWater pH/alkalinity up to increase it. Always add the spa water chemicals directly into the filter compartment while the jet pump is running in its high speed mode and leave it running for at least 10 minutes. Step 3. After treating the water, wait 12 to 24 hours for the water to stabilize. Step 4. Retest the water using a FreshWater 5-way test strip. Repeat the balancing steps as necessary until the pH is between 7.2 and 7.8. Follow the directions provided in the other videos in this series to continue balancing your spa water.